Smash the button. Good morning, welcome back. My name is Frank, and today we're going to take a walk around in this 2020 Tacoma TRD, and we're also going to talk about how you can wash your vehicle half as often and keep it looking good twice as much. Customer brought this vehicle in. Basically, it's going to be an outdoor vehicle. I was looking for some protection with the paint and try to keep it nice. Also wanted to minimize the hands-on time of keeping it clean. The vehicle was fairly new, so we basically did a little bit of paint correction, a lot of polishing. Just wanted to bring the luster up on this paint. It's like a desert tan color. The higher the gloss level is prior to applying the ceramic coatings, the glossier the finish will be and the wetter it'll look. As you can see, it's super glassy looking, got great reflectivity. After we got done doing the paint correction, polishing, and adding the 5-year ceramic coating, we also coated all the glass on the vehicle. And then we used Cerakote's plastic and trim coating. That's a ceramic-based coating that lasts up to 200 washes. We did that on all the trim pieces. And we also did the entire bed of the vehicle. Creates a nice non-stick surface, helps keep it clean, very easy to just rinse it out basically. Talk about in every video, we're going to talk about the maintenance on the vehicle and how easy it is to keep clean. Every 2 weeks roughly, you're going to take a pressure washer and rinse the vehicle off. Take a foam cannon, apply a soap like our Aegis Armors Foam Fury or Aegis Armors Spectrum, which is a ceramic based soap. You'll spray it onto the vehicle, let it sit for about 45 seconds, rinse it off, leaf blow it dry. Once every 3 months, you'll do a physical hand wash on the vehicle. 2 bucket, of course, with grit guards, and we'll teach our customers as they come through how to do that. You'll take this product, which is our ceramic booster, Aegis Armors Renew. You'll use 3 microfibers, wet one, wring it out. You'll spray the Renew right onto the surface of the vehicle. Take the wet towel, wipe it in, let it sit for about 15 to 20 seconds. Take the 2 dry microfibers and wipe it right off. It takes about 15 minutes to do a full-size vehicle like this. And that is literally all of the maintenance you'll ever have to do in this vehicle. And it will look just like this for 5 years. Like we do on all the vehicles now, we took our brand new product, Aegis Armors Black Widow Tire Shine. On this we did a nice satin finish. This product lasts for roughly about 3 to 4 weeks and can be put on a gloss or a satin finish and is no sling. So if it's something you're interested in doing to your vehicle, give us a call, 336-570-9790. We can walk you through the whole process. It typically takes anywhere from 3 to 5 days. It really just depends on the size of the vehicle, the color, and how much surface damage there is that has to be dealt with prior to put the coatings on. But again, if time is not on your side, this is an easy way around it. Like I said, you're going to minimize how much time you have to actually wash the car. When you do wash the vehicle, it takes this vehicle will probably take about 12 minutes from dry back to dry. When you do the hand wash, it'll take about 15 to 20 minutes. But again, that's minimally done, probably 4 to 6 times a year at the most. So once again, if you have an interest, give us a call. You have any questions, 336-570-9790. One of the things we really want to bring out to people is a lot of reasons for doing ceramic coating these days is really just for a lack of time to keep the vehicle up. You know, your vehicle is typically your second most expensive purchase other than a house, and it really doesn't make sense to not protect the shine on it and the paint, keep the value of the vehicle up. Once the ceramic coatings are applied, like I said, touch time is minimal in the vehicle. Most of the time it's touchless washes, whether you go through an automatic car wash that's touchless and just don't use the wax cycle, or if you do it with a pressure washer at home, foam cannon, and a leaf blower. You're only going to really touch wash the vehicle probably 4 to 6 times a year. That just helps remove things out of the pores of the ceramic and keeps the super hydrophobic effect up, so the water and stuff just sheds right off the vehicle.